Do you know what is the root cause of your failure? It's your laziness, your negligence, ignorance, not knowing your capabilities, not believing in yourself. So, whom are you going to blame for your failures? Your mom, your school, your past relationships, your job, or you yourself? What is your excuse for not becoming successful? Hello everyone, I'm Shreya Kaushik and welcome to my YouTube channel Swaying with the Soul. In this video, we'll be talking about how to take 100% responsibility for your life. But before we proceed, if you're new to this channel, shower some love and be sure to subscribe and do hit the bell icon for any new notification. So, let's start. No blame game. Who you are today and what you have become today is because of the choices you have made in your past. But we humans tend to blame other people, situations, circumstances for all that we couldn't do. Some quick examples. I'm too fat but I don't have time for a workout. I'm too stuck with my work. I didn't attend that seminar because my friend didn't come along. I don't understand the subject because my teacher doesn't explain well, and many more. Instead, if you don't have time for a workout, you should make some conscious efforts to eat healthy food. You can take 15 minutes from your work and do some quick stretching. If that seminar is important for you, you must attend it no matter what, who's going and who's not going. If your teacher doesn't explain well and if you're stuck in any of your subjects, make use of technology. There are so many online classes going on different subjects, and that too free of cost. So don't make this a habit of blaming others on each and every situation. Do you know what is the root cause of your failure? It's your laziness, it's negligence, it's ignorance, lack of knowledge, not knowing your capabilities, not believing in yourself, reluctance to change. So if you ever lose in your life, then understand it's because of your weakness, your feelings, your attachment with others, your expectation from others, your ignorance. It has defeated you. Nothing else can defeat you. No one can defeat you in your life if you take 100% responsibility of your career, your relationships, your health, and your life. So no blame game. Go in front of the mirror and say to yourself that today, I take 100% responsibility of my life, my happiness. Control your emotions. Your emotional stability is your responsibility. Become 100% responsible for your happiness, your joyfulness. This is very important, as your happiness comes from inside. So no one decides what should happen within you. This is your own place, your own paradise. People around us are on a different level of understanding. They perceive things differently. So don't expect them to act and say things in a way that always pleases you. We all are different. And if you're getting affected by someone, then the core of it is your expectation from them, your dependency on them, your attachment with them. This is when you're expecting your happiness from outside, which is not real, which sometimes looks good, make you feel good, but it's temporary. But if it is coming from inside, it's permanent. Say this to yourself, 100% yes to your happiness. Learning new skills. Sometimes we give these excuses, and it happens mostly in our career, that I haven't achieved this or I'm not being promoted because I don't have this skill or that degree. There's no age for learning. No one is stopping you. Don't hesitate in investing your time and money in new skills. It will always be fruitful. Take my example. I did a course into digital marketing long back but didn't pursue it and went back to the same healthcare industry. I used some of my skills there, but there was not much of a scope of it, and as there were other work requirements, they were different. But today, after spending 8 years there, I have started this YouTube channel and now making use of that course, and it is helping me in many ways. Now it's easier for me to do things, understand things, and as I know this industry. So it's never too late to start. Just make a decision and go for it. Don't let anyone decide anything for you. You know your capabilities, your potential, your creativity, your genius. You are just being ignorant. So discover it, decide it, and do it now. Be open for change. Take risks. I dare you for this. There are 3 C's in life. If you want to change in your life, you have to take a chance. And for that, you gotta have courage to do it. But you fail to act upon it often. When the situation presents itself because you don't have the courage to take the risk, that is relative of a moderate size, and you know you could do it, you should do it, but you don't take the chance and the situation grows and it shrinks you in a way. So have courage, take risks, and make a change. Trust yourself. You're more than your imagination. Believe in your capabilities. This is the most important of all. Because if you keep expecting from others, keep depending on others, you're not going to change your life. You're not going to do what you have always wanted to do. Never lose focus. Keep reminding yourself of your purpose and believe in yourself, as you all are blessed with skills, with genius, with strength. Nothing can stop you in taking 100% responsibility of your life. So, in the end, I would like to say, if you take responsibility of your past, that I did this thing and that's why it is happening, so take responsibility of your future, that I'm doing this now so that I'll grow and glow in my future. Because responsibility is never given, it's taken, 100%. So that's it for today. Hope you all have enjoyed it. I'll appreciate if you'll inculcate these habits in your life. And if you liked the video, do like and comment below, and don't forget to share with your peers. Hope it will make a change in someone's life. If you have any suggestions and queries, you can write to me. The mail ID is given in the description below. Thanks for watching. You're awesome. Love yourself.